Good day, everyone. Welcome once again to our math tutorial for today. And our topic is all about the measure of central tendency, and we'll be focusing on the ungrouped data because group data is kind of complex, and of course, you are a high school students, so we need to learn first the basics before we will learn the complex applications. Before we proceed, we will define first what is the measure of central tendency. As you can see, it is simply an average or typical value in a set of scores. And central tendency can be of the three. So we have three measures for central tendency. The first one is mean. Second one is median. The third one is mode. And for this discussion, we will be focusing on mean, on how we can solve for a mean if we have a given samples or population. But before we do that, we will define first what is mean. Mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency, and it is used to describe a set of data where the measures cluster or concentrate at a point. Basically, in layman's term, mean is just the average of the total samples or the population or total scores data. So to get the mean, we will be guided by this formula. Mean is equal to, or the x bar, that's the symbol for mean. X bar is equal to the summation of x over n. So we will define these symbols, in which the x bar once again is our mean, and then the summation of x will be the sum of all scores or data, and then the n will be the number of scores. So that's the total number of samples or scores in a given data or set. So for us to apply this formula, we need to have an example. First example is find the mean of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, we are asked to solve for the mean. And if you can recall, the formula for mean once again is mean is equal to the summation of x. So x will be our samples or population divided by n. So what we need to do is just add the total samples. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and lastly plus 10. And then n will be the total number of samples. So we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we need to divide the sum of these samples by 5. Let's do the math. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 10 is 30. So we have 30 over 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. That means the mean of these samples is 6. So easy, right? Let's proceed with our second example. Find the mean of 1, 4, 3, 5, 7. So same steps, all we need to do is to have the sum of the total samples. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 here, and plus 7 divided by how many samples do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 samples here. Let's do the math again. So it has a bar. So let's do the math. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 5 is 13, plus 7 is 20. So 20 over 5 is just equal to 4. So which means the mean of the given sample is 4. So easy, right? Okay, so if you are interested to learn the other two measures of central tendency, the median and the mode, all you have to do is to watch the next video after this. Thank you once again, and I hope you learned something new today.